Powerful anti-inflammatory. It has been proven that turmeric contains a large range of antioxidants, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal substances, in addition to containing anti-inflammatory substances. That is why it is recommended as a natural remedy for joint infections. In addition, it is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent, useful for disinfecting wounds and burns and accelerating their healing. Psoriasis treatment. It may help in the treatment of psoriasis and other inflammatory skin diseases. Arthritis treatment. It is a natural remedy for arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Asthma treatment. It can help reduce asthma-related infections, asthma, and this can be done by adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk. Cold and flu resistance. As an antibacterial and antiviral substance, this makes it effective in resisting coughs caused by colds and flu. Stimulate the immune system. Helps stimulate the body's immune system. Wound healing. Helps in healing wounds, burns, and regrowth of damaged skin. It can be used as an effective natural antiseptic. Fight against cancer. Turmeric contains curcumin, which can stimulate cells to carry out the process that causes the self-destruction of cancer cells. Research has confirmed that a teaspoon of turmeric actually helps in the prevention of many cancers, destroying cancer cells because it contains a powerful antioxidant. Thus, it has been found that it may help in the prevention of prostate cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, and skin cancer, and it reduces the risk of childhood leukemias. It also has a role in enhancing the effectiveness of some types of chemotherapy and reducing their side effects. Useful for liver health and removes toxins from the body. The liver works to detoxify the blood through the production of enzymes. Turmeric helps to increase the production of these vital enzymes, which effectively reduces toxins in the body. Some studies have also proven that it has a role in fighting liver disease, stimulating and improving blood circulation. Weight loss and fat burning. The health benefits of turmeric related to weight loss are the following. Many experiments have proven that one of the benefits of turmeric is that it helps in fat metabolism, helps in weight loss, and slimming the abdomen. There is an element in turmeric that helps stimulate the gallbladder to increase the secretion of bile in the body, which has the greatest role in the digestion of fats. It helps to lower blood sugar levels, reduce the resistance of cells to insulin responsible for increased fat storage. It helps reduce the production of adipose tissue by increasing blood vessels. It can stimulate the body to burn fat in the processes of maintaining body temperature. It improves digestion, reduces the symptoms of bloating, and gases. Turmeric is useful for treating most forms of intestinal infections, including ulcerative colitis, fighting Alzheimer's. Research has proven a significant role of turmeric in preventing or slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease by removing plaques caused by the accumulation of beta-amyloid protein between brain cells that cause Alzheimer's. It is known that turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant activity, so regular daily consumption of turmeric may be an effective way to prevent the onset of Alzheimer's disease and improve memory. One of the benefits of turmeric is also that it supports overall brain health by helping to remove the accumulation of fatty substances in the brain and improving the flow of oxygen to eye. Many studies have shown that the antioxidants in turmeric effectively help reduce insulin resistance, which may have a role in preventing the occurrence of type 2 diabetes. It also has a role in improving the control of glucose levels, increases the effect of drugs used in the treatment of diabetes. Research has proven that just using turmeric as a food seasoning can reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. It is known that high cholesterol in the blood can lead to other serious health problems. It contributes to the prevention of many heart diseases and vascular diseases. Curcumin has been found to have properties that help promote skin health and beauty, strengthen hair and treat its problems, and perhaps the strongest results appeared on the topic of acne treatment and its effects, skin purification and tone. Turmeric can be added to the diet to get the health benefits of turmeric through the methods mentioned in the following. Add turmeric to a glass of warm milk for a more rich taste. Add a pinch of turmeric to the rice or grilled vegetable dish to bring out more of its flavor. Add a little turmeric with different types of soups, such as chicken soup or mixed vegetable soups, Despite the many health benefits of turmeric, there are some cases during which the use of turmeric is prohibited, which include both excessive consumption. Prolonged consumption of high doses of turmeric extract may cause stomach or liver discomfort, as well as dehydration and constipation. Gallbladder problems. The use of turmeric may be prohibited by people suffering from gallstones or any problems with it. Pregnant women. Pregnant women are advised to consult a doctor before using it, as it may have a stimulating effect on uterine contractions. Blood thinners. Infected people who take blood thinners, including aspirin, should consult a doctor before taking turmeric, because it works as an anticoagulant. People undergoing surgeries. These people are advised to stop consuming it 2 weeks before surgeries. Iron absorption. Turmeric should be consumed with caution by people suffering from iron deficiency, as it limits the absorption of iron in the intestine. Fertility. Turmeric reduces testosterone levels and thus reduces sperm motility, so turmeric should be consumed with caution by males planning to procreate.